Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Verbatim Wireless Keyboard and Mouse. Here's an overview of what's happening here in the back. Now this is a 1000 dpi mouse. For the price point, this is extremely affordable. I don't think you want to use this for gaming, but you probably could. Bring it up. It's a keyboard. It takes one AA battery. Here's feet. Keyboard. It's got a large enter key. Keyboard feels really nice for a membrane keyboard. Here's a mouse. And batteries and a dongle are in a case box as well. Here's the dongle. So one good thing about buying a combo keyboard and mouse is you have one dongle only. The mouse feels it doesn't feel that bad in the hand. It feels pretty good. It feels nice, but not like a good quality gaming mouse. In my opinion, if you're going gaming, go wired mouse for gaming. But for just all-around wireless keyboard and mouse, I think it's gonna be a real good buy. I'll put links to Amazon below. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.